my bed space here in Skopje, Macedonia. This bed space, a nice bed space I got for only $7 per night in October 2017. Nice clean room. So found this buffet here in the mall. So guys, got this simple vegetarian meal for 175 Macedonian dinar, which is equal to $3, $3 US. So got this for just for $3, and that's not very expensive, I guess, with this drink as well. So this is a traditional shop like you can find in Macedonia, Serbia, and all these countries. This kind of burgers everywhere, cafes, and it costs very little, like $1.50 for a burger or pizza. So guys, in this video I talk about how I traveled just for $15 a day in Skopje, Macedonia, which is in Europe. It is the most cheapest place I have ever visited in my whole travel journey. Last night I arrived here. I got a bed space in a very nice hostel, which I will show you in this video. That cost me just $7 for one night. And then I had a dinner for just $3. And today I had lunch once again for $3. So, and then the other expenses like the water, the juices, the beer, that also costs $50. I mean, you can get a beer for $50, water for $50, and a juice for $50. And if you are staying in the city center, then you can go to all the places just by walking. I mean, you don't have to hire a taxi or a bus. Just go there and you will in 3 to 4 hours you will explore all the city.